Namaste. I wanted to invite you to focus a little bit more today in this area in the heart that forms this triangle, upside down triangle, below the collarbones and then meeting at the center of the sternum. And for a moment, bringing your hands to Mukula, which is this gesture, just place your hands in the center of your chest and make a gentle motion there, activating thymus, activating this place that it's called the happy spot, and also the place where when you feel tension, depression, anxiety, it gets contracted. So just to open a little bit. And then with both hands on Mukula, we used this before to pick up our offerings and put into the fire, or pick up our offerings and simply offer. So right now, same gesture, Mukula, we're gonna use to activate this chest area. So you don't wanna tap on the bone, you wanna tap below the bone, all around the chest, with the intention to activate the energy and open your chest, your lungs, to breathe a little bit more. So you can go with one hand in that little central spot, massage a little bit more, concentrate in this area. Let the breath be free while you're doing that. I like how my voice sounds. And ideally, feeling a little bit more open and identifying the areas that are a little more tense, and spending a little more time tapping and massaging. Then just release your hands. Notice the natural flow of the breath in the lungs, and with the intention to inhale fully, take a deep breath, yogic breath, from your abdominal area up to diaphragm, lungs. At the top of the lungs, hold, and then exhale through your mouth with a sigh or a sound. You're going to do that for a few rounds. Inhale from lower belly up to diaphragm, expanding ribs sideways, and then top of the lungs, expanding your chest upwardly. Hold with air for a moment. Then exhale with a sigh or a sound. My exhalation, my sound was a little shorter because I wasn't retaining the air. So with a full in breath, it will be like this sound, perhaps like this. And that exhalation can be a little faster to release any tension or feelings of fear right now, and of being held, right? So do that for a few rounds. I'm waiting for you to do at least 3 like that. Inhaling, bringing all that is below, above, to the top of the lungs, holding for a moment, and then exhaling forth with the sound, opening the chest, opening the lungs, opening this way, out from the central part of your chest, forward. So after this tapping or identifying that soft space, tapping, breathing, we are going to do together a mantra from the Buddhism tradition, Prajnaparamita, Heart Sutra. Let's do like this. I will say a line, you will repeat. Om Gate Gate Paragate Parasangate Bodhi soha. Gate meaning that which is beyond the beyond. Right now, in a sense of healing, sensing what you feel and sending that to the beyond, where everything comes from and it can return. Paragate, beyond the beyond. Parasangate, that which is even further than we can comprehend. We send what we feel, our uncertainties and our fears. My Tibetan teacher, he adds the word tayata, which means, so maybe, may it be. So I'm gonna say that, add that word. You can only need to say Om once in the beginning. Om. Tayata gate gate, paragate, parasangate, bodhi soha. Tayata gate gate, paragate, parasangate, bodhi soha. Tayata gate gate, paragate, parasangate, bodhi soha. Together, deep breath in. Tayata gate gate, paragate, parasangate, bodhi soha. Tayata gate gate, paragate, parasangate, bodhi soha. Tayata gate gate, paragate, parasangate, bodhi soha. There is a gesture called Karana Mudra, which is where you place your thumb on top of the nail, fingernail of your middle finger, ring finger, and you stretch little finger and index. The gesture is normally used like this, by the heart, on the right hand. And I learned this from a friend from Brazil, Lourdinha, to do this little click. So when she says this mantra, she learned from her own teacher, and she uses it for clearing space, the space around you, your home, and also the space around your body. We're going to focus on the space of the heart. We're going to do this little click, click, click. Okay, so open your right palm, bend middle, ring finger, place the thumb on top. And you don't need to do that fast, very slowly, with the mantra. Tayata gate gate, paragate, parasangate, bodhi soha. Tayata gate gate, paragate, parasangate, bodhi soha. Tayata gate gate, paragate, parasangate, bodhi soha. Bring your hands to Pushpaputa. We learned this gesture before as a gesture of offering. Right now, let's turn that into a gesture of receiving. And for a moment, closing your eyes, connecting to the heart space, open your hands to receive from Spirit healing light. Let the breath be free and be receptive to receive. And let this healing light penetrate your hands and slowly move towards your arms and the heart. And you can stay here for as long as you wish. I'm going to end our ritual, wishing you the best of health and asking you to stay with your heart open. Jai Ma.